Yesterday, we are in the 32nd day of our virtual class of grade 7 and we were in direct and indirect speech. So in our previous video, we have already discussed about the definition of direct speech. Now let's go towards the indirect speech. Okay, what does indirect speech means? So let's see. So number B, I have indirect speech. It is also called to be reported speech. Okay, indirect speech, it is also said to be reported speech. So what's the definition? So this is it is, see here, it is used to communicate, what someone else said, but without using exact words. So indirect speech is the way of reporting, is a way of stating, or is a way of reporting someone exact word. Okay, it's a way of reporting the someone exact word in your own way without changing its meaning. Okay, so once again listen, it is a way of reporting, it is a way of stating the words, exact words in your own sentence. Okay, without changing their meaning. For example, see here, he said that he had eaten his food. So indirect speech, no any inverted comma, no any no any inverted comma, no other or no any quotation marks is used here. Okay, simply indirect speech is completed either in in full stop. Okay, so we do not use here comma, we do not use here inverted comma, double inverted comma. Now let's see changes. So while changing direct into indirect, we can observe several changes over there, such like changes of pronouns, changes in tenses, order changes, etc. So let's see here. First, we will talk about changes of pronouns. Okay. Number first, see here. First person like I, we. Okay. First person changes according to the subject, according to the so here's first person changes according to the subject of the reporting verb. Similarly, number 2, second person changes according to the object, according to the object of the reporting verb. And then number 3, 3. Third question remain unchanged. So here first question it changes according to the subject of the reporting verb. Second person changes according to the object of the reporting verb, and the third person it remains unchanged. So now let's there's other change, that is changes in tenses. So while changing direct to indirect, we should keep in the mind the following things. Okay, just like we should do the changes in pronouns, so we should do the changes in tenses, and we should do other changes as well. So we should keep that in mind always while changing direct into indirect speech. So let's discuss what are the changes in tense we observed. Okay, so here we need to change the tense. We need to change the tense if there is past reporting verb, that is said, said to, asked, etc. Okay, the tense of the reported speech, changes into corresponding past tense, which are as follows. See, so changes in tenses. So in what case we should change the tense while converting direct into indirect? What is the situation? What is the condition that we should or we have to change the tense? In what case we should change the tense? So see here, we need to change the tense. We should change the tense if there is past reporting verb. I have already told you direct speech is divided into two parts. That is, first part represents reporting verb and another part it represents reported speech. Okay. So see here, we need to change the tense if there is past reporting verb. For example, like said to, asked. So if there is said to, and asked, so in that case only you have to change the tense. Okay, in that case you have to change the tense. So if the direct speech is in present tense, then you have to change it. If the direct speech is simple present, then you have to change it into its corresponding past, simple past. Simple present change into simple past. Similarly, present continuous change into past continuous. Alright, so see here, the tense of the reported speech changes into corresponding past tense as follows. So now let's see. You can see here I am going to write direct, okay, or here indirect. So simple present. Simple present it changed into simple past. Simple past. Subject verb 1, verb 5 plus object, subject plus verb 2 plus object. Similarly, number 2, present continuous. There comes now present continuous change into past continuous while changing into indirect. So there should be was, were plus of 4 plus object, and this one subject plus is, am, are plus of 4 plus object. Alright, and then now number 3. Number 3, we have present perfect. Similarly, present perfect, the direct speech which is in present perfect change into past perfect. Past perfect. Subject plus has a plus of 3. Subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. And then comes number 4, present perfect continuous. Similarly, it change into past perfect. Past perfect continuous. Its structure is subject plus has, have plus been plus of 4 plus object, and subject plus had plus been plus of 4 plus object. So see here, simple present change into simple past, present continuous change into past continuous, present perfect change into past perfect, present perfect continuous change into past perfect continuous. In what case? If the reporting verb is past verb. So if the reporting verb goes in present verb, so what will happen now in the tense? Will it change or not? Obviously, it does not change. If the reporting verb is in past, then only change the tense. If the reporting verb is in present, then don't change this tense. There will be no change in the tense. So I have to write, or I will make you know only up to present perfect continuous for today, and the remaining order I will discuss, or we will discuss in upcoming video. So till then, be safe, take care.